up, you guys? You know where I am, back in Target, and I'm not gonna mess with the lighting or my hair because there's nothing I can do about it. Anyway, my hair is kind of crazy because I just left the dressing room, tried on 5 different outfits for all of you, and you are gonna see that footage now. And then you guys know I always shop around the store and show you anything else that you guys may like or that I think you guys may like. Also, have I yet to do a Target haul without wearing some sort of a black tube top? What is wrong with me? I think my husband does not want to see. He's like, you have all these clothes and it's black tube top. Yes, it is. All right, you guys, enjoy. All right, you guys, here I am all enthralled with these dressing rooms doing my little dance. They do play really good music and the lighting is great, which is why I only do Target in the dressing room hauls. But let's get into the first outfit. Enough is enough. All right, here I am wearing my first outfit. I have this really cool pair of green cargo pants on. I chose those because they were a different green. They're almost like a chartreuse and an olive or a khaki. I don't even know. But they're super cute. I'm wearing them in a size 4. They are high rise with the traditional cargo pockets and then the front pockets. And I really liked that shirt, you guys. It had that asymmetrical little cutout at the top. I'm showing you my butt in the mirror there. So they do fit very well. Remember, I'm 5 feet, 5 inches tall, and I thought they looked really good. And that shirt is just so cool. Again, wearing that shirt, by the way, in a medium. I found that it did run a little small. It's not super stretchy, so just keep that in mind if you guys want to get that look. And next up is this cute plaid dress, you guys. I think it is so adorable. It's a mini dress. I'm wearing it in a small. Yes, it has pockets. It is in sort of that baby doll style, and I love this brown plaid. Now, I did check on the website, and the brown plaid is sold out in many sizes. So I'm going to insert a picture of a black plaid dress, same dress, but in the black. So you guys have options, and I love the clogs I'm wearing. I'm gonna show you those now. They are a platform clog, and they do come in black as well, so keep that in mind. Okay, rolling right along here. I am wearing a jumpsuit. Yes, you guys know I love jumpsuits. This one is a brown jumpsuit. It's brand new, so it's not a leftover summer jumpsuit. It is for fall. It comes in other colors as well. I love the way the waist cinches in, and it's hard for you guys to see, but the back has a zipper completely up the back. I was trying to show you, but you really can't tell. That smocked waist really cinches you in, and I'm wearing this in a small. It fit me just perfectly. Now I'm going to show you how I transform it for fall. So all I did, yes, was add a cardigan. This is like a shawl collar cardigan. Wearing that one in a medium. And I like it to be a bit oversized and the arms to be nice and long. But you can see that you can totally wear this jumpsuit in cooler weather if you just add a cardigan. There's my famous look. I love to drop one shoulder off in a cardigan, but it really is kind of a cute look, don't you think? All right, so again, wearing the jumpsuit in a small, the cardigan is in a medium, and those clogs do come in black as well. All right, you guys, next rose is a fave. Check out this maxi dress. I'm wearing this one in a small. I love the faux wrap, and my favorite part is that the faux wrap up at the top has a nice little snap. So you don't have to worry about it opening. You're not going to safety pin it and all that stuff. But I love a maxi dress. They're so flattering. You don't have to worry about what's on your legs. You can pair these with tall boots, short boots, booties, clogs, whatever you want, and you should be all set. There I am showing you that little, it might be a hook and eye now that I'm looking at it. But again, this one also has a little smocking around the waist, which will accentuate your waist and hold you in. And I think it is so, so flattering. I love the tiers, and I wear this all the time. Okay, next up, I don't do a lot of this, but I have some workout gear, you guys. I just loved the color brown. These are highly, highly compressed leggings. I'm wearing them in a size medium, and I really did have to take my time getting them on. But I just love the color, and once they're on, they are flattering. They do hold you in, they smooth you out. And again, wearing them in a size medium, I'm gonna dance all around in these guys because I'm really feeling myself. Did you see the booty in the back of the mirror? They definitely hold you in. I chose to pair them with this really cool asymmetrical, do not mind me, brown sports bra, you guys. I just thought it was such a unique look. I've never seen a sports bra with one shoulder like that. All right, let's go into the store now. Going right over to JoyLab, checking out their flared leggings, you guys. I love the contrasting waistband, and check out the split at the bottom there around the flare. They come in burgundy, this tan, and also black. And JoyLab also had a few other things. They really have stepped up their game. Here is a cropped hoodie that I thought was awesome. It did come, well, not come with, but there are matching shorts that go with it, but I don't think we need to look at those at this time of year. Next up, just like my clogs, there are a pair of platform booties. I love the off-white color. I'm sure they come in other colors as well. I will link them, but all things Western are trending right now, you guys. So I thought I'd show you these black Western cowboy boots along with the white pair, and I will make sure to link them for you. Here I am showing you a really cool pair of slouch boots, you guys. They had these a few years ago and I actually own them. I think they changed them just a bit, but I wear these constantly, so I think you guys will enjoy them, which is why I showed them to you. Next up, again, continuing on with the Western booties, is a pair of booties. They come in that white with some studs and the brown as well. I thought those were really, really cool. Let's get into the rest of the store and I'll show you some stuff that I thought was cool. I have this white corset tank. I wear it constantly under my cardigan. Sorry about my hand showing up in the shadow. But they have brought out some fall colors, the burgundy and the black, so I'll make sure to link those. They're great under blazers, shackets, the plaid shirts, all that kind of thing. You definitely want to have those in your wardrobe, and they're only $16, so make sure to grab some of those. Over in the Knox Rose section, they have some really cute shorter dresses, so I will make sure to link those. Those are great for throwing on with a pair of boots and off you go to work. Don't have to think about it, and if it gets a little chilly, you can certainly pair a cardigan with that whole look as well. Now, I saw these short sleeve fluttered shirts and they're on clearance, so I thought I would show them to you because the fall colors are really cute. They'll be linked below. That was it for fashion. I just kind of walked around and was looking at the pumpkin candles. You guys, I really didn't find any that I loved. I do like the peach prosecco, but I was not into their fall scents this time around. But these candles are $15, and I'm sure you guys have seen them by now. And lastly, wandered over into the housewares, and I thought this tray was really cute. Do you guys like the Magnolia line? I've not purchased from them before, but they always look very enticing. I like all of their decor. It's really, really cute. I guess it's called Hearth to Hand or something like that. I don't know. It's the Magnolia Housewares line. Hearth and Hand, there you go, with Magnolia, got it. All right, guys, just taking a look around this department and admiring it. You guys remember mug trees? I had to show you this. That is such a 70s vibe, but I really do think it's cute. This was kind of a quick one today, you guys, but just going to wrap her up with showing you individual pictures of all the outfits I shared. And hopefully you see something that you guys like. Let me know in the comments down below what your favorite look was. And I promise to bring you more affordable fashion for fall 2023 all this week. So please make sure you are subscribed and also make sure you hit that bell for notifications. That way you'll be notified each and every time I upload a video. I hope you guys all have a great 2 days, and I'll see you back here on Wednesday. Bye, everyone.
Life goes up and it goes down. I know my mom taught me that. I figured why we fool around.